Guys, in this video I will show you how to check for updates in Mozilla Firefox. First step is open the Firefox browser. Then click on the menu 3 horizontal icon and select help for the drop down list. Click on About Firefox. The About Firefox window open. Firefox will check for updates, and if an update is available, it will be downloading automatically by default. When the download is complete, then click Restart and update Firefox.
There is also a problem with this video, so ask about these comments any problem related to social media and internet. Let them know in the comments bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press icon for any updates and notifications. Thanks for watching.